and welcome back to another lesson. This one is going out for Mr. Dave Eli, this chap here, who is an esteemed patron. Thanks indeed for your support, buddy. If you're not patrons, check the link out below. He wanted this band. I didn't even know this one. It's Nightingale Song by Toad The Wet Sprocket. I've heard of the band, but I hadn't heard this tune. It's lovely. Nice and easy one. It's only got 2 sections to it and only a handful of chords. So let's dive in and have a look, shall we? So that intro section is pretty much as they play it, but I'm going to go through the chords first, and we'll build it up slowly, because you can always just do this rhythmically too, right? First chord, it's like an A7, A dominant 7 sus 4, I think that is. Second chord, you're just going to move your first finger down 1 fret. Third chord is a C add 9. Fourth chord, G. Okay, and you're going to play 2 beats of each. Like that. Now, strumming wise, you could play this. Nice and simple, right? That is just down, down, up, down, up for each chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, and that's pretty much the rhythm that you'll do in the chorus for some parts of it too, okay? So I've tabbed it out quite specifically, right? But don't worry about that. That's just to give you the feel. So you'd play. So you go down, down, up there, right? Then up, down, up. That's it. You repeat that throughout, apart from the last chord. So you will do. That's exactly the same picking pattern throughout, okay? And it's the same rhythm as well as the strumming bit we did before. But when you come to the G, there's this little flourish where you play the root note and then the top, like 4 strings. And at that point, your first finger doesn't play the second fret on the A, the B note, okay? Because you're going to hammer onto it. And sometimes my second finger gets in the way, so you could abandon that and go. So you could do that if you want to make it sound a bit cleaner. If you arch your finger a bit more, you shouldn't have a problem. So that's a nice cool fill to get in there. So together you would have this slowly. And that's it. And then to speed you have this. One variation is with the C add 9. If you put your little finger on the 3rd fret on the E, on the top E, you'll hear that sometimes. So you can put that in as well if you like. And that's it. Then you've got the kind of bridge bit, I guess, which is just 4 chords. It's an F major to an A minor 7, a D5 sus 2, I think, C, and then you go to a G for the last 2. But I think you hear this, so you could play that, or C straight to G, and just, you know, strum the B first, like that. But the rhythm goes. that, right? Or if you just go straight from C to G, and then you're back around. And again, I would go for a more strummy approach for the verse. But anyway, the rough rhythm, because you don't need to do exactly, is that is. And you've got a load of open strings at the end there, so down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down for the last chord, right? Then you've got the A minor 7. Again, that is just down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Then you've got the D5. And then C to G. And that is the whole thing. So that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed that one. And thanks again, Dave, for your support. Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye.